Okay, so I'm going to show the 5-number summary, histogram, a normal fit, and a box plot in R. Unlike jump and R, I had to do two different files. It's basically split up the extra treatment into one file and control into another. So what you do is you go ahead and load or create the data sets. So I'm going to do E for extra row. What is the name of the CSV? And then attach the file. And then control, the same thing. It's showing that I have a object was masked because I already have a treatment from attach at the same time. So it's not a real big deal in this situation, so I'm just going to leave it as. So if I want to know a basic 5-number summary, you just type summary and control.growth, for instance. Oh, sorry. Let's see if I can spell control, CONTROL dot growth, and it shows the minimum, the first quartile, the median and the mean, the third quartile, and the maximum. So you could do the same thing with extra grow. Shows the data as well. So if you want to do a histogram of those, you would just type hist and control.growth, and it puts up a histogram. So if you want to do two of them, hist control.growth and then extra.growth. Oh, I'm sorry, you cannot do them back to back. But you can do each one individually. So you can get your histogram for different types. In order to do a normal box plot for those, you have to do something a little bit different. You have to figure out the mean. So, for instance, if you're doing the extra growth, you have to type M equals mean of control.growth. We're going to do control first. And then you find the standard deviation. Same way, you do standard or STD is the square root of the variance of control dot growth. And then you type in hist control dot growth prob equals true. Enter. You get your histogram of your control growth. From here, you do curve, d norm x mean equals m, sd equals std, comma add equals true. You want to make sure you put the add equals true because that's what allows you to add it to the current one. And I mistyped curve. So, and that shows you the curve for the histogram that you have there. So from there, you could do the same thing with the extra go and see if you have a normal distribution from there. There are different things you can do to it, like you can change your Y limits and you could add names and all that. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments, or if you're in the class, just go ahead and bug me and I could show you how to do that as well.